Why, hello there. I gave you the first snack. Don't know which country this is from, but whatever. What we got? Holy shit, it's a potato wrapped in, oh, who knows what. What the fuck is going on there? How good is it gonna be? Let's see. I give you the first dish at the first store. You got potato, bread, but fuck, this fucking looks like, I don't know what the fuck that is. What the fuck is that? Mushrooms! Yeah, could be better cooked, but whatever. First try. We got peppers, which I'm not gonna fucking try even because... Nah, never mind. I'm stupid. Spicy. Then we got, what we got here? We got peppers, we got tomato. Hold on. Let's get the shit out of the way. Oh, look at that tomato. Potato. Fucking not tomato. God damn, the fuck is on me? Potato. Let's see that potato. Pepper inside. It's pretty good. Oh. This is some butter.